Hey guys, welcome to my channel. There is a hair in my eye. Where are you? Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Leah Brianna. I just want to wish all you wonderful people out there a very happy Gobble Gobble Day. And if you don't know what Happy Gobble Gobble Day is, it's Happy Thanksgiving. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this simple fall or Thanksgiving look. So without further ado, let's go play. As always, I start off my makeup routine by toning my face. Next, I'm going to be using Bobbi Brown Face Base as a moisturizer. For today's primer, I'm using Farsali's Skintune Blur Primer. Yep, I'm a klutz. I absolutely love how this product feels on my skin, and I can see the blurring effect almost immediately. Just put on some brows and adding Becca's Shimmering Skin Perfector in the color Champagne onto my face. Since this is a dark spot corrector, I'm using Smashbox CC Cream in the color Medium Dark to cover up any dark spots. For today's foundation, I'm using NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color Syracuse. To blend my foundation, I'm taking the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist from Tatcha and applying it with a Y6 brush from Morphe. Next, I'm taking MAC's Paint Pot in the color Painterly and using it as an eyeshadow base. To start off the eyes, I'm grabbing Kylie's bronze palette and using the color Citrine as a transition shadow. Moving right along, I'm tapping into the Desi x Katy Friendcation palette from Dose of Colors and grabbing Churro to apply all over my lid. Since I am applying a glitter shadow next, I'm grabbing MAC's Paint Pot in the color Painterly again to carve out my lid. taking the best applicator in the world and tapping into Just a Kiss to apply all over the front of my lid. I'm grabbing the color Churro again and mixing it with Cheens, which is a darker brown color from the Friendcation palette, to apply all over my outer corner to darken it up. Because your girl is extra, I'm applying Huda Beauty False Lashes in Sasha. Moving right along, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer for today's concealer. To contour my face, I'm taking Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the color Coconut and applying it to the corners of my nose, below my cheekbones, my forehead, temples, and lastly my jawline. Next, I'm taking Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder to bake my face. While I'm baking, I decided to complete my eye look by tapping back into Churro and Cheens and applying it under my eye. I'm also grabbing Just a Kiss and applying it to my tear ducts. Time to tap away the excess baking powder. Next, I'm taking Benefit Hoola as today's bronzer. To add some color back to the skin, I'm taking Morphe's Blush Trio in the color Pop of Peach and mixing the shades Maker and Influencer to apply to the cheekbone areas, along with the shade Creator to the apples of my cheeks and nose. To avoid fallout and intensify my glow, I'm taking Morphe's Setting Mist and spritzing my face before applying highlight. To set my look and mesh everything together, I'm applying Urban Decay's All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder all over my face and underneath my eyes. A girl can never have enough glow, so I'm adding Laura Geller Gilded Honey as an extra highlight. Coming right up is the infamous putting on mascara look. Due to fallout from eyeshadow and setting powder, I'm taking the ABH Brow Definer in the color Ebony and using it to darken back out my eyebrows, then setting them with the ABH Clear Brow Gel. Since it is Thanksgiving, I wanted to go for more of a brown shade for my lippy color, so I chose Dose of Colors Cork. To clean up my lips and make them more defined, I'm taking the KKW Beauty Lip Liner in Nude 2. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to sign up for post notifications. Since it's Thanksgiving, I just want to tell you guys that I'm so thankful for my family, my friends, life in general, and obviously all of you wonderful people out there watching. Please comment down below anything you guys are thankful for. Bye. Do you guys know what sound a turkey makes? Gobble gobble. Burp, 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 burp.